Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Back to the Roots Oyster Mushroom Kit. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict on whether this mushroom kit is worth it. Back to the Roots Oyster Mushroom Kit Overview. The Back to the Roots Oyster Mushroom Kit is made in the USA. It is fully organic and free from genetic modification. It is also easy to grow and use, as you only need to spray the kit with the provided ingredients and the mushrooms grow within a few days. The kit can be used all year round as long as it is placed in direct sunlight. It is compact and suitable for storage in places with limited space. What we liked: the mushrooms are guaranteed to grow. The kit is portable. The results are quick since it grows in 7 to 10 days. What we didn't like: mold and small flies appear during later harvests. The cost is high. Features: organic. The Oyster Mushroom Kit is GMO-free and made from organic, recycled, plant-based materials, ensuring it is free from harmful substances. Being organic, it guarantees a sustainable and chemical-free growing process. Additionally, the packaging is eco-conscious and fully recyclable. Low maintenance. Maintaining a Back to the Roots organic oyster mushroom kit is easy. The package comes with a spray bottle that you use to spray your mushrooms daily. As long as you do this and keep it in a spot where it can get enough sunlight, then the mushrooms will grow properly by the 10th day. Compact and convenient. The organic soil-infused package includes a discovery booklet full of important information on how to grow your mushrooms, a mushroom spawn, and a spray mister. This all-inclusive package is lightweight, small, and easy to store or carry around. You can even offer it as a gift. Its design is therefore suitable for anyone, especially those dwelling in urban areas where there is limited space. Who is the Back to the Roots Oyster Mushroom Kit best suited for? Urban dwellers, eco-conscious people, educators, people who enjoy gifting, DIY enthusiasts. Verdict: should you get the Back to the Roots Oyster Mushroom Kit? The Back to the Roots Oyster Mushroom Kit comes in compact, recyclable packaging that is manageable for people living in small spaces. It is GMO-free and a fun and engaging educational material for learners. The mushroom kit also promises multiple harvests from the same kit, making it worth having. Thus, it is worth getting the Oyster Mushroom Kit and enjoying its numerous benefits. Thanks for watching.